Sorry about the delay, guys. We're back. Oh, wait a minute. Y'all didn't really wait, did you? Today, we're going to be TIGging mild steel. Kind of a pipe flange looking type situation here. Pretty typical. What we're going to be using is a 3/32 filler wire, carbon steel filler wire, which is an ER70S-6 filler wire. Right now, I'm 140 amps on a TIG 200 not sinker wave. That's what I'm used to using as a miller. But this is a Lincoln. Say that 3 times. Say that 3 times fast. What? I done lost it. I'm sorry. I don't know what I'm doing. All right, mommy. Okay. So, anyways, square wave Lincoln machine. I got my gas turned up to 30 pounds, and let's see. Yeah, 30-ish pounds. Yeah, right. Maybe just a hair over 30 pounds. I'm using a wind blocker here, and I got, did I say 140? Yeah, 140 amps. So we're going to be running a little bit of stick out, maybe 5/16. Yeah, I would say 5/16 to 3/8 stick out of a 3/32 2% thoriated tungsten number 7 cup. So let's see how this is going to roll. Roll that beautiful bean footage.
Roll that beautiful bean footage.
Okay, it's going to take more amperage than that. Quite a bit, actually. So we're going to go on up and max the machine at 200, and then I'll use the foot pedal to adjust. There we go. Let me show you what it looks like, and then I'll finish this weld out and show you everything. Okay, we're almost 3/4 of the way finished, but I wanted to kind of just get on here and give you a couple of tips that will help you. I like to cut my TIG wire like in half so it's more well balanced. If you got a big long TIG wire hanging out there, it's less likely to make it more harder to keep it completely focused in. If you're walking the cup, that's not a problem, but daubing, you're back and forth, that would be a little bit more of an issue. Being that I got this kind of a windshield up right here and it's not a windy day, I'm able to run a lower gas. For me, a lower gas makes it a little bit easier to control the arc, but if it was windier, I would run my gas maybe up to 65 to 70, double what I'm running right now. But I went down on my amperage to 170. As I go, everything starts heating up, so it gets 170 seems to be kind of the happy spot for this. So, and I'm more or less angling my tungsten. Of course, I'm pushing it, but I'm angling it more into this thicker workpiece as opposed to the lip going outside here, or else you'll start kind of losing control of what you're doing. And there you have it, guys. Remember, if your weld is not a nice round ball, or a circle, then you're not going to get that dime look that you're probably trying to achieve, as most TIG welders are. So when you move, you fill it up, it has to have that nice round, excuse my tacks there, because that was done with a flux core wire gun. I tried to clean them the best I could, but still some stuff still remnant in it. Is that right? But yeah, so stop and go, there's another tack, one issue right there. But, pause, fill, make it build up, move on. Consistency is the key. But All right, y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed this. I hope you got some info out of it that might help you. Or if you just like weld porn. You just saying. I'm videoing this weld, and you're like, I'm not. Okay, go ahead and finish what you were doing.
It looks nice, man.
Like that?
It looks really.
You like it? I think it's okay. So satisfying. You know, you could probably film 2 hours of this and loop it, and people would watch it to go to sleep.
Sometimes for me it's so difficult when the pieces have a lot of time
Oh yeah.
to feel like sleepy or busy.
Oh, it hypnotized you.
Oh yeah. Wait for a stop the piece.
Everybody would think it'd be round, but it's actually not.